Hello students, this is a question from JEE Main 2005 and from the chapter electrostatics. The question says that we have a capacitance which is fully charged. Now this capacitance is discharged through a resistance wire which is embedded in thermally insulated block, and the temperature of block is raised by delta T. The specific heat capacity is given as S and mass is given as M. Then we have to find potential difference across the capacitance, and these are the given options. So we can use here the concept of energy stored. So capacitor is initially fully charged, so energy of the capacitor U equal to half CV square. Now this is discharged through a resistance which is in a block which is thermally insulated. So temperature of this block is increased by delta T. So the charge of capacitor will be flowing through this resistance which is in a thermally insulated block, and temperature of the block is raised by delta T, which implies that the energy of capacitor is transferred to energy of this system or thermal energy. Given that mass is M, specific heat is S, and change in temperature is delta T. So energy will be Ms into delta T. This we will discuss about this in chapter thermodynamics. So the energy in capacitor is transferred to energy in block. So we can write half CV square equal to Ms delta T. From here you can write V equal to 2 Ms delta T divided by C under root. So 2 Ms delta T divided by C is our option B. So the right answer is B. If you want to know more about this concept, you can go through videos here, that is energy stored in the capacitor. This concept talks about that, and you can go through books available in NCERT page number 81 line number 8. You will get this concept, and in HC Verma page number 150 line number 27 also you can see this concept, and you can practice more problem on this. Thank you students.